What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu, and I think we have some great news to bring to the table. And I'm not saying that this is going to happen now or it's going to happen tomorrow or next week, right? We could see a really decent size burn that's going to be coming soon in the near future for Shiba Inu. And when I say decent size, I mean a massive burn, right? I don't know exactly what the size would be, but we can go through and calculate, maybe what will happen if we see a certain size burn and what the price could potentially get to. So before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you check out some of the links down below. I want to give out a special thanks to all of the Patreon members here listed on the screen. So thank you guys for being a Patreon member. If I missed anybody, feel free to correct me. I think I do have a couple of people that are missing, but I didn't get a chance to put them in. So I really appreciate all of you guys that are Patreon members, every single one of you, and I will have it updated so all of you guys get recognition. I really appreciate that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So what we're going to be talking about here is we want to look at Shiba Inu. Let's break down what the price did today, where we stand with the circulating supply, where we stand with the total supply, all of that stuff that we need to know when it comes to the like bare bones detail, right, for Shiba Inu. Now, today it's down 0.3%, so it's not down a lot. We're not really seeing it make a huge move downward or upward. We're seeing it kind of flat today, lower than that 1% mark, negative plus or minus 1%, right? Currently it's at about 3,500, and I understand where you're coming from. It's not $3,500. We're looking at 0.0000 3,500, right? It makes it easier if I can just do it like that. So it's going to be 3,500, right? We did see a decrease down to 3,300 before increasing and getting back up to the level of 3,500, staying flat for the day. The volume today is down about 13%, 13.7% here. And you're going to see the market cap is still below that $20 billion mark. The circulating supply, just to get a sense of that, because this video is more or less about supply, is at 549 trillion. We still do have a little bit left. I think like 40 trillion left that they can add to the pot, which I think, should just already be added to the pot already, so that we can get over with, diluting the price, and more likely we can just see it increase that price, right? So what's this video about? The video today is mainly about the massive burn rate. And I saw this article that came across my screen this morning in the Discord group, and it states that Shiba Inu to burn some coins and enter the metaverse space. So I think it's going to be really big to understand burning some coins. Are they going to see a decent sized burn? How much do they have to burn when it comes to entering the metaverse space? Is it something that they just want to remain relevant when it comes to coins or metaverse coins, I guess, because you have all these coins that are gaining a ton of popularity and Shiba Inu is losing popularity. And this is what I've been saying from the beginning, is that Shiba Inu, what all cryptocurrency is about popularity. And if you lose popularity, how can you gain that popularity back, right? I understand that you have use cases behind it, you can use them, but in order to remain relevant, you have to be popular, right? You have to be that coin that people want to continue to go to, whether it's just towards a gain or it's to use it in a certain way, buy things with, transfer it, whatever you wanted to do, low cost, whatever you wanted to do with that coin, you should be able to create popularity with the thought around that process, that buying or selling or whatever you wanted to do should be popular, right? Shiba Inu, very popular. Dogecoin, very popular, right? But Shiba Inu is losing popularity. Why? Because it hit that very high and then lost 40 to 50% of those actual gains. You saw the same thing happen with Dogecoin, where it lost a lot of those gains that it did have, lost a ton of popularity. Then people went on to Shiba Inu coin, and they went on to other coins that saw to be popular, or they sought out to be as popular as it possibly can. LRC, Avalanche, Sandbox, right? There's so many different positions out there. But let's go through this article So Shiba Inu is one of the latest cryptocurrencies in the world following its rally since the start of the year. It is also the second biggest meme coin in the world and now wants to expand its presence in the cryptocurrency space. So apparently, just from this, they're going to undergo a massive burn. Now, I don't know what they classify as massive burn. Maybe it's just to get that click, like I do with my videos. It's all about to get that click. And then you never really know if that's true. If they're going to burn 50%, can they physically burn 50%? There's a lot of people that are holding a massive amount of coins. Then again, while we were at that top, while we were at that peak point of, 8,000, 9,000, right? Not dollars, 0.00009,000, right? You had a lot of people that had billions of coins that probably shaved a little bit off the top. You had a lot of people that had millions of coins or billions or millions or even trillions that shaved some off the top. And if they're doing that, then they're letting go of those coins, which they sit out in limbo, right? And they can be burned, right? Or if somebody's holding a massive amount, which I don't think that's the case where we're holding that much, you could just burn off whatever you have there, developers, all that stuff. But I don't think that's the case. I think it's going to come from, basically just buying it back, burning it off, and going from there. So Shiba Inu, one of the leading meme coins in the world, is expected to undergo a massive burn in the coming weeks. The burn is expected to reduce the total number of SHIB coins in the circulation. At the moment, there are 589 trillion in total supply, obviously showing that there's 40 more trillion that are out there from circulating supply to total supply. So the 40 trillion still has to be added before you can just consider burning all of those. So I would imagine before that's going to happen, you would add on the 40 trillion, you would see that price decrease. People would, you would have that buyback of more, and you would burn off whatever you do buy back. So that would essentially increase increase the price. Now, I don't know as to what the level will be. I don't know if it would be 50%. I don't know if it would be 30%. I don't know if they're even going to do, maybe they'll do 10%. But I feel like it has to be a massive burn to compete, kind of. Because if you're now starting to look at the future and saying, I want to remain popular, I want to get this to a point to where the circulating supply makes sense. Everything about it just makes sense, and we can get to a point to where we can either be one for one with the dollar or be more than the dollar, $10 per Shiba Inu, which is absolutely unheard of. However, just know this is the start. And I talked about this, that they're going to be burning off coins, whether it's a system burn or people will burn off coins. We will see this burn off, because the overall mindset behind Shiba Inu is to burn off coins. This is why I said it should be comfortable for you to just, have 1 million coins and hold it for 10 years. What will that be? I'm sure it will be something really, really big because of things like this. This isn't going to be the first system level burn that they're going to do. There's going to be multiple burns as you go on to remain relevant, to remain the leading coin, the most popular meme coin, quote unquote, right? So, like I said, this is just the start, really. So Shiba Inu's founder, Ryoshi, revealed that the burn is expected to pave the way for the project to enter the metaverse space. The metaverse space has become one of the fastest growing in the cryptocurrency space, thanks to the entry of social media giant Facebook. So this obviously doesn't really go into detail of exactly like how much they're going to burn off. It really just goes into detail saying that a burn is going to happen. They also talk about the fact that it has dropped. Shiba Inu has dropped more than 40%, and its current trading value is 3,500, down more than 50% of its all-time highs, which is absolutely insane. Now, like I said, it lost popularity. Loses popularity, needs to gain that popularity back. Whether you like it or not, or you believe what I'm saying, this will happen. We will see a burn rate. We will see multiple burns. We will see it get down to levels, maybe even in the billions. And if it does end up getting to that point, just know it makes it completely possible for this to hit $1, this to hit $2, this to hit $10, right? We don't really know exactly how many they're going to burn. And when we find that out, I think we'll know exactly where the price is going to go. And look, they're going to burn this. I think they're going to burn again. They're going to burn again. They're going to burn again. It's just going to be, it's inevitable, right? So Anyways, that's my good news for you guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down in the description. Check out all of those links. They do help out the channel as well. Also, another shout out to all of the Patreon members. Thank you for being a part of this, for supporting me so much. Without you guys, there's no me. And I just want to grow, and hopefully you guys can help me grow, help my channel grow. And also we can grow our accounts together. I would love to be able to do that. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.